fall season has officially started. Thank you for joining us again for yet another video. And what we want to do with this video today, we want to show a little bit of our leaf fall process that we do during the fall season. So the system that we have for our lawnmowers, they really mulch up the leaves. And if you see in this video, if we do any leaf pickup, it's very little to none at all. So we really hope that during the process of watching this video, you can kind of see how we do our work, and we believe that we leave the lawns pretty clean, but you know, the leaves are always blowing during the fall season, so it's not going to be completely spotless, but we always do our best to at least do our best quality work for the conditions that we have. So join us today and let's get to it. Alrighty, so we're gonna get a little preview of the house right now, kind of check out how much leaves have fallen and what we're gonna do in our cleanup. So here we go. There's quite a bit of leaf droppings all over the property. Here's a good look at it. Yeah. And we're gonna go up for an aerial view pretty soon as well. But just kind of get a preview of all the leaves around the area, so that we're gonna do a nice little before and after shot. Hopefully it'll show more for visualization of how it looks after we're done. And like we said, it's not gonna be completely spotless because, you know, during the fall season, when, you know, even when you finish the work, leaves are blowing from the neighbors and from the trees as well. So everybody out there, when you're working on the lawns during the fall season, don't get frustrated if it's not completely spotless, because, you know, even when the work's done, you're just gonna get some leaves blowing in after everything. So we're blowing out the beds, and we're blowing them all into the lawn. So right here, what you're gonna see, so we got this whole bed blown out right here. We blew out this bed. We're cleaning up the driveway. We're blowing all the leaves into the lawn area, so that we can mulch them with our machine and leave the property nice and clean. So what you're gonna see right here is that here's a large accumulation of the leaves that we've blown out from the driveway. See, the beds in the driveway are nice and clean. So here's an accumulation of all the leaves that we have on the lawn. And an important thing that we do is that what you're gonna see here is that in this section that's between the driveway and the lawn, this section right here, we try to make sure that this side is clean, because what's gonna happen is that once the machine starts picking up the leaves from the lawn, there's a possibility that if they're too close to the sidewalk or to the any pavement, right? Any mulch leaves are gonna blow back onto the pavement from the machine, and we want to avoid that because we want to be as efficient as possible with our work. And leaving this space, if it's visible on the camera, you see this nice little passageway right here. We're leaving all this space so that when we start picking it up with the machine, it won't blow back onto the pavement right here. So here's our progress so far. We're doing cut number 1. So for those of you who have been tuning into the channel, you may know that cut number 1 means it's a vertical line cut in relation to the house. So as you can see, these lines are going straight up. They're going straight up, straight directly to the house. Right here, this white line is going up, and then this darker shaded line is coming back at us. Well, pretty much almost done with this lawn. So here's a little preview of a finished half of the lawn. There you go, guys. Looking nice and clean. We were able to pick up the leaves And like we said, you know, there's gonna be some here and there, of course, but the lawn's looking really nice. The machines are working really good. Our machines pick up and mulch the leaves, so we don't have to, you know, we don't have to put them in a basket or anything like that. We just mulch them, and they're pretty much non-existent on the lawn. And we hope that really shows through in this video. Well, as you can see behind me, guys, we're officially finished. We're gonna close out this video with some, you know, preview shots of the final work that's done. But just check it out for right now. Here we go. Everything's nice and clean. Thank you for joining us for our official start to our fall season. And you know, we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, we would really like it if you'd subscribe, because we're really gonna show a lot of our fall season work, how we pick up our leaves and how we mulch them, and everything, and our whole process for the fall season. So if you're interested, please subscribe if you haven't already, and check it out. And if you enjoyed the video, we would really appreciate it if you left it a like. And yeah, for right now, we're just gonna do some closing shots of the property now that all the work is done. And stay tuned for next time. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.